So you want to get rich by investing, but now everything's red. Minus, minus. The news is yelling. Should you sell everything? Buy more. Cry. But did you know crashes made new millionaires? This could be your chance. First, understand this. Prices go up for no real reason. Then reality hits. Pop, prices crash. High inflation makes everything expensive. People stop buying. Sales drop. Stocks fall. Surprise disasters, pandemics, wars, cause panic. People sell everything. These three are the biggest reasons behind crashes. Now, are crashes normal, or should you be worried? Let's find out. COVID crash. Panic spread fast. Markets fell 30% in weeks. Crashes happen, but history shows the market bounces back. Those who panic lose. Those who hold win. Shops open, people eat, life continues. That's a good sign. If everything breaks down, that's when you should worry. If life goes on, chances are the crash will too. Panic sellers lose. Smart chefs win. Be ready, not scared. If you liked this slice of knowledge, order another one. Click the video above.